गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, दिस इज़ डे 2 इन धर्मकोट। अभी बज रहे हैं 8 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस। मैं अभी उठी हूँ, मैंने अपने रूम के बाहर आई हूँ एंड आई सॉ दिस। आई एम लाइक ओ माय गॉड, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। इट्स ऑल कवर्ड इन फॉग, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है सामने, तो भूल ही जाओ कि कुछ दिखेगा। मैं इधर से दिखाती हूँ। We also have a small jharna over here. So beautiful, really amazing. This is my bed and बहुत ही amazing और peaceful sleep आई मुझे. But I love this view, very nice. So currently I am reading this book, this one. I don't know if you guys have read it or not, but I'm reading this. ठीक है, but then I got and I saw this. I wanted to read this for like बहुत टाइम से, बट मुझे ये बुक मिल नहीं रही थी। तो अभी मुझे बुक मिल गई यहाँ पे, जो दूसरी लड़की रह गई है उसके पास। आई थिंक आई एम गोना ट्रेड, कि उसको ये दे दूँगी, आई मीन ये वाली अपनी दे दूँगी और बोलूँगी कि मुझे ये पढ़ने दे प्लीज़। ये तो मैंने पढ़ ली, ये मैंने पढ़ ली, अभी जस्ट ख़त्म करी है। दिस इज़ अ गुड बुक, राइट, बट दिस वन ऑल्सो इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ हेल्थ बुक एंड इट्स गुड। सो या, alright, so guys, before I get ready, I wanted to show you this, that I got it online. You can also get it from Decathlon, but it's a small pouch, and do you know what it is? It's a towel, and it's like dry fit और जल्दी सूख जाता है और सिर्फ इतनी सी जगह लेता है आपके बैकपैक में. Let me just take it out. Okay, now since it's out, see, it's very big. It's not a small towel, it's a big towel. See, it's a very big towel and like this. Whoa, see how big it is. So, and it's dry fit, it's very lightweight, it's good. I mean, for travelers, solo backpackers, you know, सामान कम से कम रखना होता है. You have to keep your luggage to a limit, and this is the best thing that I got it. You know, this is like, I got it for like 500 rupees and it's amazing. I'm going to test it now, and but I know it's a dry fit because of the material. I could make out that yeah, it's dry fit. So yeah, even if it's wet, within few minutes it's gonna be dry again and ready to use. And it also has this pouch in which you can again fold it and put it in, and it will just take this much space in your bag. So if you like it, you can just order it online, just put it dry fit towel or something for travel essential, and it's a good thing, I think. I mean, I also saw one of the travel backpacker using it, and then I bought it. So yeah, थोड़े से मुझे भी देना, give me 2. No? खा लेंगे, मेरे साथ से खा नहीं रहा है. Everybody just say hi and good morning.
Good morning.
Daily vlog.
Beautiful morning.
Yes, I hope कल का vlog सबने चेकआउट कर लिया होगा. And this is for day 2. And we are in Dharamkot. This is our last day in Dharamkot and we are heading for some breakfast. और सबको पराठे खाने का मन है. अगर नहीं भी आए तो मैं सबको खिला दूँगी. And we're going to Buddha Delight. इसको हमने अभी पार्ले जी खिलाया है ना, तो सब हमारे पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं. या to go this way. Look at the weather, guys. योगा करने आ जाते हैं आज सुबह. The visibility is literally zero. I'm right now in Zostel, and yesterday I was somewhere up here in the EDM, and now, oh my god, just look at this beautiful landscape, which you actually can't see anything because we are in clouds. We are covered with clouds. So nice. अब तो और ज़्यादा हो गया है, क्लाउडी. या अब तो और कम हो गई है विजिबिलिटी. सो नाइस, ठंडी हवा, वेरी नाइस वर्किंग स्टेशन यहाँ पे. सो this is the next part. I am in Upper Dharamkot and it has started raining a little bit, like chut-put, like drizzling types. And just look how pretty. I mean, very less visibility, but it's so quiet, so calm. I can hear the waterfall there. वहाँ पे एक waterfall है. There's a coffee shop here, and it's nice. So I found this. This is Zostel right now. Zostel's Salvation Cafe. So I'm working from here. You get good Wi-Fi, you get good food, good environment, atmosphere, and you can sit here and work, chill, enjoy the views. So yeah, so this is where I'm right now. Oh, I just love this weather. So nice. Come. There. Come here. Come here, doggy. The doggy is like, यहाँ जाओ यहाँ. Come here. इधर आना. कुची कुची. Oh. Oh. जो. Oh. Yes.
What all the keywords?
तेज बारिश हो रही है. And look at this dog, cutely sleeping, comfortable. Oh, सो जा सो जा सो जा, मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं करूँगी उसको. So peaceful. He's so cute. It's raining now. That's the point of being in the mountains during rains. It's always raining, but it's always so beautiful also. Okay, now you can see the valley view from here because मौसम थोड़ा सा ठीक हो गया है. And oh my god, this is so nice, so nice. Now I can see the ranges. See, wow. I don't know, suddenly the weather just went so nice. Wow. I love this Nukkad cafe. It's very cheap and convenient. Oh, we're going down. Yay. I think I have paisa. Huh? He was just following me. But oh my god, look at the valley view, just guys. So pretty. In 2 days I saw this view. So, एक्सप्लोर करते करते मैं इस तरफ आ गई हूँ. एंड आई हैव नॉट एक्सप्लोर्ड दिस एरिया ऑन माई लास्ट 2 visits over here. And I'm like, wow, so beautiful cafes and a very big waterfall just right over there. Open Heart Cafe, okay. यहाँ पे इजराइली बहुत आते हैं ना. इवन द बोर्ड्स आर इन इजराइली लैंग्वेज. देयर ओपन हार्ट बोधी ग्रीन कहाँ है? मालका कैफे. चलो चलो, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर. But this was very nice. I have not explored this place ever. Okay, अच्छा यहाँ पे है ये. The cafes over here. इसलिए लोग आके यहाँ पे धर्मकोट में रहते हैं ना. Look at this, how beautiful view, beautiful कैफे बैम्बू का, प्रिटी. आई कैन सी शैलोम फ्रॉम हियर. पूरा द वैली व्यू जस्ट स्ट्रीट से ही मुझे दिख रहा है. Okay, dinner time. I have come to this Israeli style cafe and I have ordered shakshuka. Haha. मतलब टिबेटन भी कह सकते हो इसको और इजरायली टाइप्स भी कह सकते हो. और यहाँ पे क्योंकि सारे इजरायली लोग ही बैठे हैं. It's very rustic kind of. It has rained all day and काम बहुत किया. टाइम ही नहीं मिला कुछ और करने का या कुछ और एक्सप्लोर करने का बिकॉज कहीं जा नहीं सकते थे. So you had to sit in a cafe and work. So yeah, I think that's the end for my day 2, vlog number 2 from Dharamkot. And tomorrow you will see me in another destination. Hopefully.
नहीं hopefully.
Yeah.